Okay, so today we're looking at the Nutri Ninja. This is one of the older models, but the blade and the motor is what you're paying for. And so I wanted to show you how it works just with some ice water here, so you can kind of see the strength of the motor. So as we put it down and turn it on, we can do, with this 1000 watt, we can do the Pulse, the Pro extraction, or the XL extraction, or we can just hold. I have to make sure it's on. All right, just make sure you turn it enough so it turns on. And then you can see how right away it just goes nuts on it, but then you can use your Pulse, your Pro extraction, and your XL. It makes quick work of anything you want to blend, and you just saw how powerful that motor was. It just goes nuts on it. So this is a really great blender.